Hi guys, all of you good morning and good evening and welcome back to Git to 5th class. Guys, in today's session, we are going to discussing these concepts. One, Git diff, Git reset, hyphen soft head and Git log, Git show, Git reset, Git branch name, Git branch -n, hyphen actually, okay, yes, we will modify that. Okay. Yes, deleting branch, modifying the branch, creating the branch, and switching the branch into new branch, creating new branch. Okay, next guys. So here we are having small mistakes. So this is the -m and here -b. Okay, so these commands we are going to discussing. Okay, and today we are not having recap. Okay, if possible tomorrow, yes, we will go for recapping last 4 classes. Okay, okay, guys. So here the diff command. Git diff is a command. The command used for to see the differences between staged files, staged files data, and working directory data. At the same time, committing data. Okay. Yes. So let me show you practically. Then we will go for yes. Git diff. The syntax note. Here we must have, note for this, we must have file in working directory, staging and committing area. Okay, but in one stage it won't work. Okay, we'll see that practically. Okay, so yes, syntax. Of course, it is a syntax. Yes, syntax. Git diff file name. Git diff file name. Now coming to practical example. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. Yes. Be inside OPT and your project repository. Project nothing but repository. PWT. Yes. Here we are having these two files. Yesterday we have written one file that is monitor. I think we didn't write. Yes, sorry. I think you didn't see that. Okay. So the file is cat monitor. So inside this I have written these commands. The free command for to see the memory, in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes in human readable format, and LSB LK uh, to see the partitions, disks and disk partitions. Disk -L also to see the partitions with the detailed information. DF-H also for to see the disk information. Netstart command won't work because we need to install some extra packages, system utility packages. Next, VM stat, virtual memory statistics, network statistics, and LSCPU. That one for to see the list of given CPUs, and cat, sorry, you namespace -R. That one for to see the kernel version, and cat/etc cells. That one for to see the number of available cells in this machine, and run level. Which run level we are using at present? We are in which run level? If you want to see that run level, that is the command. So I have written that. Just let me check it. Get status. Yes, guys. The file is located in both locations. The file is located in both locations. Note that point. If the file is located in only one location, for example, okay, the monitor.sh file is located in working directory. If you apply the git status command, in this state, we can't see anything. From the git. Okay, git won't show you any kind of output because the file is located in only one working directory area location. Okay, guys. So if you put the file in both locations, now what I'm doing that, just let me call back. So git reset, what is the use of this command? This command used for to unstage the file from staging to working directory. So now what I did is I call back that file to working directory from staging. Now the file is located in only working directory. Now, okay, if you apply that git diff space file name, see, nothing. Okay, it's not showing anything. Now what I'm doing that, once again git status, now git add, I'm sending to staging. Now the file is located in staging area. Now where is this file? The file is located in staging. Again, you can apply this command, git diff. See, we can't see. Okay, even if you put the file in committing also, after committing, if you apply the git diff command, yes, git commit -m, yes, monitor.sh version 1.0, just commit this one. We have committed this file with 16 insertions. Now, git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Already I told you that in previous class, we can't see the committed files by using git status command. So git reset committed files should not respond to git status command. Now the file is located in the committing area. Again, you can apply that git diff. Yes, the file name. See, we can't see any individual, or if the file is located in single location, we can't see. Now the file is located. In committing area. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to modify that file, vim monitor.sh. Yes. Okay. This is the information. Now, once again, cat class etc os hyphen release host name ctl host name ctl. Okay. Yes. And here, so here we are going to, okay, already we have modified that htop. Okay. Yes. Ping google.com. So I'm testing. Okay. Of course, our server is an under network. Okay. Otherwise, you can't connect to this class. Okay. Yes. I'm saving this one. I'm saving after. Guys, now little bit you need to understand. You need to understand already. Already I have written here. If you observe this one, when we can see modified files, when we can see modified, not this point. This is also correct time to discuss about this. See guys, when we are going to modifying the file which is located in committing area. See, when we can see modify, whenever you are going to modifying the committing area file, whenever you are going to modifying the committing area file, after modifying that, the file comes into working directory and it's located in modified files location. Now, just now we have modified this file. Now, if we apply that git status, see guys, modified. Okay. Not only git diff command, we need to concentrate on this one also. Okay. Okay, simultaneously, we need to concentrate on this one. When we can see as a modified, whenever you are going to committing the file, whenever you are going to modifying the file, which one is already committed? Which one is already committed? That time we can see as a modified. For your confirmation, touch package.sh. Package.sh. Now we have created one file. Now git status. Okay. Now the file is located now the file is located in working directory untracked list. Now this monitor file is located in both locations. Note this point. This monitor file is located in two locations. One is committing area and another place is working directory. In working directory, it's located with a new data. In working directory, it's located in working directory with a new data, modified data. Before that, it's located in committing area with older data. The reason for seeing in red color, just now we have modified that file after committing. So that we are seeing as a modified. And already I told you that when you create a new file, when you copy a new file, when you move a new file, yes. Okay, we will see as a untracked file. Now, just now we have created this file. Now let me show you. Yes, now I'm going to modify in that package.sh. Okay, yes. To install updates, yes, m-update-y. m-update-y. Next, to install minimal packages, basic packages. Yes, m-install vim wget tar make unzip space -y. Just now escape shift colon wq. See guys, before try to observe and try to understand. Okay, so it's a modified file. It's already committed. After that, after modifying that, we have created one new file with the name of package.sh. Okay. After that, okay. After creating, if we apply that git status command, we are seeing in untracked list. Now the file is located, still the file is located in working directory untracked list. Okay. Now I have taken that file to modify which file is located in untracked list. That file I have taken for modification. After modify that, if you apply that git status command, see the same state we are seeing. The same state we are seeing. Yes, note that point. Git should not recognize, or else Git will not accepting untracked files. I mean that is not recognizing. Git should not recognize untracked files into its memory. Okay, until when you add the file, from there it will recognize. Until that, it won't recognize. You can modify 100 times, 200 times, 500 times. Okay. Git should not accept until when you add the file. Okay, this is one. See guys, if you modify that untracked files, after modifying that, if you apply the git status command, we can't see any kind of changes or notifications or messages or result from the git on untracked files. Okay, now guys, now yes, coming to diff command. Forget about this one. Yes, if you want to see that once again, the file is located git diff package. See guys, git diff package. The reason, now the package file is located only in working directory, but this monitor file is located in both locations. In both locations mean it's located in working directory and committing area. So which one is located in committing? That's one already committed. Which data we are seeing as a modified, that data, new data located in working directory. Now what we are doing? Now we are applying the git diff command. Okay. Yes. Now if you apply that git diff, what is that? Monitor.sh. Now this data we can see. White color. White color data, and this data we can see in green color. Which data you are seeing? In green color? That data is located in working directory. Note that point. Not green color files. Guys, keep in mind, not green color files. The data, whatever we have written content, that content in green color. Green color files is different. Green color data is different. Note that point. Okay. Green color data is different. Green color files different. That's completely entire file. But it's not a file, it's a data. Okay. Now, if you apply the git diff command, we can see the first 3 lines, the last 3 lines are 2 lines of data in white color. which is located in committing area. And whatever we have written latest data, that entire data we can see in green color, which is located in working directory. Let me show you. Yes, forget about this one because already I told you that. If the file is located in one single area, we can't see the differences. Okay, that is the reason for seeing this status and what is it? Package command. But this file is located in both locations. Now let me apply that. Yes, git diff monitor.sh. See guys, the last 4 lines now we are seeing. Last 4 lines we are seeing the remaining new data, whatever we have entered. So minus mean deleted. Minus mean deleted. This plus symbol mean newly added data. Newly added data. And this one also. This one also. See guys. In between this line and these lines we have added. In between this line and these lines we have added new data. We have added new data. Okay. If you are going to writing end of the file, yes. So we can see the only last lines. I mean that only green color files end of the file. But in this case, we have written in the middle of the file. We have written in the middle of the file. Let me open once again that. Yes, now what I'm doing here, I'm going to writing. Yes. Du space -h. Next cat space /etc pass wd. Okay, next users uname space -a uname space -a. Yes, this is what we have written just now. See guys, already we are having these files. Now what we did, yes, we did some more changes. See guys, which one you are seeing green color? Those all newly added data, newly modified data. Guys, subject to correction. So here what I said that. So which we are seeing in last lines, no? I said that, no? Yes, I have executed that kind. Now I'm okay. Going to correcting that. Okay, now whatever we are seeing green color data, that is the newly modified data. I mean the newly added data. And which one we are seeing white color, that is the already existed data. That one is already existed data. And guys, it's locked. See cursor locked in this screen. I mean that in text area. So now what you have to do, just only simply apply only one letter, that is Q, to exit from that location. Okay guys, now see guys, the difference between working data, modified data and committed data. Now what I'm doing guys, now I'm going to sending the file. Now I'm going to sending the file to staging. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm sending to staging. Okay. Now you can see the changes. Okay. Yes. Git add monitor.sh. Now git status. See guys, before applying that git diff command, the file was located in working directory. Now the file is located in staging area. Now the file is located in staging area, guys. Okay. Now, if you apply the git diff command, yes, we can't see any kind of changes. Okay. If you apply the git diff command, we can't see any kind of changes. Now, yes, let me show you git diff monitor.sh. See, guys. Okay. See, if the file is located in staging, and in committing, so in this state, we can't see any kind of changes on modifications. Okay, guys. So this is one, okay, step. Now, okay, now the file is located in staging and committing area. Now what I'm doing that, if you call back git reset, see guys, git status. Now once again, git diff monitor, see. Okay. Now I'm going to committing the file. Yes, guys, one more step. Okay. Now again the file is located. Again, the file is located. Okay. Now the file is located in working directory and committing area. One file. Another file in working directory and track list. See, git status. See, guys. Okay. Now, what I have written here, the diff command. Still, we are in diff command, and this is the situation. Yes, git commit -m any one message am, git commit -am any one message. Okay. Yes. Here. Okay. Don't mention any file name. Okay. Just this is the command. Okay. So this command used for guys. Okay. Yes. The meaning of this command. Yes. Syntax. Git commit -am. It is a syntax and it's an example. Okay. Yes. Anyone message. The same one, but it's changing that. Yes. Okay. What we can example one. Example one. If we are committing, if we are committing single file, single file. Okay. Git commit, git commit -am. Okay. Any, oh, for example, monitor, monitor.sh version 2.0. Guys, this is a small, okay. Yes. And okay. So here, this is the message. Okay. Uh, Group files committing. Group files committing. One minute, please. Okay. Note here, guys. It's a little bit confusion. You need to see practically. You need to see practically. Group files committing mean, group files committing mean if we have, if we have one or more files, if we have one or more files in working directory, those all files moves to, those all files moves to committing area. Committing area. Okay. But in this case, just let me show you first practically. Yes, note -am command works on modified modified and deleted along with all staged files. Staged files. Okay. This command works for commit on modified and deleted in working directory and along with all staged files. Guys, keep in mind, all staged files mean, where are the files? Staged files mean staging area files. All staged files mean what we can see here. Yes, new files, modified files, and deleted files. Guys, 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, see. This command, am command, works on only on first, okay, on modified and deleted in working directory and along with all staged files. The staged files, when the file is located in staging area, maybe the file is as a modified, as a deleted, and as a new file. Okay. This, if we are having three types of files, if you're having only one type file, or if you're having two types of files. it comes into all staged files. Okay, but let me show you practical. Still we are in diff command. We are working on diff command. Okay, and we are seeing that modification. We are seeing that changes, and we are coming with a new command. New command. Okay. Now don't forget, if you have any confuse, please let me know. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask question. Okay. Yes, guys. Now just let me show you. Now what I'm doing that already we saw that git diff command, git diff monitor. See, we are seeing the changes. We are seeing that changes. Okay. But after adding this file, git add monitor.sh. Okay. Now the file is located in staging. Now, if you apply that git diff command, we can't see any kind of changes because that's the structure. Now, guys. Okay. Of course, I'll explain that. Okay, in upcoming class, but not that point. Now, once again, I'm calling back that file. I mean that I'm unstaging. Okay. The reason for unstaging to execute this command, to execute -am command. Okay. Now, guys. Okay. Let me show you. Now, once again, the file is located in staging. Working directory as a modified. Now, note that point. And again, this one more note. Note 1. Note 1 and note 2. Note 2. Okay. This command should not works on untracked files. Note that point. This command should not works on untracked files. Already I told you that. Okay. But I didn't specify that. Okay. On untracked, just I have mentioned only modified and deleted. That's me. Except untracked files from the working directory and along with all staged files. But at present, we are having file only. On only working directory. In working directory, we are having modified and untracked. Okay. And you saw that what is the reason for saying that modified. So we have modified committed file. So that reason we are seeing modified. And we modified the file. After creating a file, which one is located in untracked list. And whenever you are going to modifying again and again on untracked files, you should not get any kind of response or replay or result from the Git. When you are going to modifying the files from untracked list. Whenever you are going to modifying the file which is located in committing, then we will get response from the Git as a modified and as a deleted. Okay, that's the reason for seeing. Now, git commit -am, try to observe that. For this time, we are having only in working directory. We are having two files, one modified and one untracked. I said that this command works on only modified and deleted files. From the working directory. When we are applying this command for this time, we are not having any single file in staging. That is also you have to note it. Git commit -am. Yes. Monitor.sh version 2.0. Why I'm going to mentioning this one? Because for this time we are having only one file. That one only we are going to committing. But note, you should not write anything here. You should not write anything. Okay, after double quotes. Okay, just hit the enter. See, guys. Okay, with one deletion, 8 insertions, one file changed. For this time, only we have committed only one file, but for this time we are having two files. When we are going to executing this command, for the time, yes, we are having two files, but Git accepted only one file. It means still okay, wherever we kept the file for executing of time, yes, still the file is located in the same location. I think I hope you understood. See guys. Okay. That command works on. Now, git status. Already we have applied that. Git show. Git show is a command. Git show is a command. This command used for to see the latest and previous commits. Previous commits. Okay, guys. Just it's a syntax. First one. Okay. Git show. Okay, syntax one. Next, that is also example. Git show. Okay. This is the command. Of course, we are having some more. I'll show you. Okay, in advanced level, but it's mandatory. It's a mandatory, guys. Here, I want to tell about Git, guys. Honestly, I'm saying that really, if you want to learn Git in depth, okay, in deep level. Honestly, I'm saying that with a daily 1.5 hour to 2 hours, it will take 1 month to 1.5 month. Minimum to minimum. If you want to learn complete Git with a daily 1.5 hour to 2 hours without taking any kind of breaks or something. Okay. Even if you, okay, without examples also, I mean that general examples, it will take minimum 1 month to 1.5 month. Only Git. Okay. Note that point. Okay. Maybe you can ask the question. Whatever I'm going to teaching commands, Git commands, not only those commands, there are 70% other commands. 70% of other commands. Just we are going to discussing only 30% of the Git commands, which are important for our DevOps environment and which are very important for programmers. Basic important. Essentials. Okay, essential commands only we are going to discussing. And a little bit I'm going advanced level also. Okay. At present, I am in basic and intermediate level. Basic and intermediate level. Okay. So slowly we will go for advanced level also. On time being, okay, whenever we are having free time, that time we will go for advanced level also. Okay. Please note this point. Note this point. Okay. Now, guys. So I mean that why I'm saying that, yes, if I apply that git show command, yes, we can go for nearly four or five more extra options. Options mean if I want to see last 3 commits, if I want to see last 5 commits, if I want to see latest commit, like that we are having different commands. Okay, we will see that. Okay, now, so git show command. So the command, this command. So what we are seeing, which one we have committed a latest one. See guys, this is the commit ID, not this point. This is the commit ID and main branch we have committed. So this is what we have committed. Okay. Which one we are seeing in green color? That data we have committed. That data we have committed. Latest committed data. Latest committed data. Now guys, git status. Still the file is located in working directory as a untracked list. Now what we did, just we have executed which files are located in working directory as a modified and deleted only. Modified and deleted only. Okay. We didn't work on these files. All staged files. All staged files. Just now we have discussed on this one only. Which files are located in working directory as a modified and deleted for executing time. When we are going to executing that command, for the time whatever the files are located in working directory only. But we didn't discuss these files. Now we are concentrating all files. Okay. Or else let me show you only staged files. Now, I mean that command works on staged files also. Just add git add package, git status. Note that point for this time, imagine it, modified files are there, deleted files are there, and new files are there. Okay, for this time, modified files are there, deleted files are there, and new files also there. But again, you need to note one more note. When we are going to executing this command, this command works on whatever we are having files in staging. Okay, not only one file. If we have multiple files as a modified and deleted in working directory, at the same time, if we have multiple files, all category mean, okay, all types. No, all types mean modified, deleted, just wait, deleted and new files. Okay, all categories. Okay, at the same time, yes, here also only modified, deleted. When we are applying that, git commit -am message. Git commit -am message. Okay, not a diff command, but we will come back. Still we are in diff command and we are in okay, modification commands. Whenever we apply the command, this command will pick all modified and deleted files from the only all modified and deleted. Okay, or simple modified and deleted files from working directory and all staged files. All staged files mean this all files. Moves into committing area. Okay, moves into committing. When we apply git commit -am command, but initially we have applied only on modified files. Now we are testing only on staged files only for this time. Okay, initially we have applied on modified. For the time, if we have deleted files also, yes, it will execute. But we don't have the deleted files, only we have the modified files. Now, we are going to executing the same command the same command, but we didn't put files in working directory. We are putting the files in only staging. Okay, but not that point. Whenever you are going to executing this command, for the time, if we have the files, working directory and staging, this all files at a time moves into committing. But for this time, we are executing. Git commit hyphen, see guys, am, okay? But don't write note here, just that's it. See guys, with the 6 insertions, only added, okay? Yes, one file we have committed. Next, git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Already we have discussed about working tree also. Working tree equals to working directory plus staging. Okay. Now guys, now the file is located in committing area. Now the file is located in committing area. These two are empty. Now once again, let me show you that. Git show. See guys, the latest committed file. Latest committed file. Okay, we have committed this one. Okay, now what I'm doing, okay, ll. Yes, now I'm going to creating some garbage files. Okay, yes, a touch A, B, C, D, E. Okay, git status. See guys. Okay. Now, okay, what I am doing, still we are in more diff command and am command. We are working on am command and diff command. So first of all, let me finish that. What is that? Diff command. First, we will finish diff command to get clear. Okay, to get clear information about diff command. Okay, so git diff monitor.sh, nothing here. So we are having data. The file is located in committing. Now what I'm doing that cat double greater than monitor.sh. So here we can use htop. Htop is a command. Okay, that command used for to monitor system total processes. Next to top also command to monitor system performance. Okay, yes, this is what I have written. Now git status. See, once again, the file is located in working directory and committing. Now guys, git diff monitor. So whatever you are seeing white color, that is located in committing area. The last two lines green color, that are located in working directory. Now see guys, now it's working on working directory and committing. We can see the differences. In between working directory and committing. Yes, git add monitor.sh. Now the file is located in staging. Now git diff, this command won't work. Git diff monitor.sh in this level. Okay, in between staging and committing area files, we can't see the differences. Okay, now guys. Okay, so one more command. One more. Yes, not a one more command, just we are forwarding that. Next, git commit -m monitor.sh version 3.0. We are going to committing. Next, git status only. Next, git diff again monitor.sh. See here also. Now what I'm doing, I'm calling back Okay. So where is that file? Yes. This command used for to uncommit the file, uncommit the latest commit. Which one we have committed? Which one is the latest commit in the committing area? That one, if we want to, uncommit, yes, we can. Syntax and example both are same. Yes, syntax. Okay, git reset. This is one example. Yes, directly I'm executing. Okay. Syntax on example. Okay, guys. Git reset hyphen soft head tilde. Now here the latest modified file is located. Monitor.sh file is located in committing area. The file is located in committing area. Now what we are doing? Yes, we are calling back to staging. For this time, if you have committed one file or 100 files, this all files come back to staging. So why we will come? Why we need to unstage? On which cases we need to uncommit? Okay, keep in mind. I'll explain that. Okay, I'll explain that. Okay. So because we need to finish that one, then we will discuss about that. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I'm calling back. Git status. See, try to observe only staged files. Try to observe on only staged files. I mean that green color files. At present, we don't have any staged file. Git reset. Only git reset command used for only this reset command used for to unstage the files from staging area to working directory. But this is advanced. Yes, git reset hyphen soft head tilde capital letters case sense. Hit the enter. Now you can see git status. But when we are going to executing this command, for this time, if we have one file or 100 files or 1000 files committed on latest commit, those all files come back to staging. It's calling as a batch commit. Okay. Batch commit means now I'm taking one example. Which is now almost here 6 members are there. Now total including me 7 members we are here. Okay, this is one batch. Okay, oh god. Okay, just now someone joined. Okay, total 8 members are here. Now this is one batch. Now how many guys are in this class? This class is having one particular time. In this class, if we are having only 1 person or 2 persons or 1000 persons or 100 persons or 5 persons, these all persons are calling or undercome one batch. If I close the class, what will happen? All guys will disconnect to this meeting link. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Same logic. Okay. When you are going to executing this command, how many files we have committed? before this command. Before this command mean that is the latest commit. That is the latest commit. Okay. How many files we have committed on latest on previous commit? That is the latest commit. Those all files come back to staging. This command for only callback or uncommit to staging area. Staging area, hit the enter. Now you can see already we have applied. Yes, oh, that is the latest one, package.sh. Package.sh. Okay, just note that. I'll explain that once again. Okay. So it's mean latest commit. Note that one point once again. So because why we got that package.sh file? Note that point. Guys, take one exact size of the bottle. Size of the one size bottle. I mean that. Let me show you. Yes, I'm taking one bottle. See, guys. Now I'm putting one ball here. This is one ball. This is one ball. Okay. First ball. First in. Then second one. Next third one. Next fourth one. See, guys. Next fifth one. See. Okay. Sixth one. Total 6 commits are there. When we apply the command, what is that? Git reset. -soft head tilde. This command works on latest commit. Now, what is the latest commit here, guys? This one is the latest commit. It will come back. Okay. The file is, for example, monitor.sh file. Okay. Once again, if you apply this command, once again, now the file is came out from the committing. This is the committing area. When you apply this command, which one is the latest commit? This command applicable on that command. Now we have applied command. Yes, it came out from the committing. Once again, yes, still if you have commits. Okay, once again, if you apply the command, which is now this is the latest commit. Before that, then right now this is the latest commit. Whenever you apply the command, yes, it works on latest commit. Now it's came out. Now, which is the latest commit here? This is the latest commit. If you apply that once again, yes, this command applicable on this latest commit once again. Now, which is the latest commit? Yes, this one. Okay, now let me show. Already I have applied that to. Now git show. If we want to see guys, what is the latest commit command? Latest. Yes, monitor.sh still, because we have committed this file. Number of times. For this time, if we want to see how many commits happen on one file, if you want to see. Okay, yes. Don't forget. Yes, I'm going on little bit a real world example, not a like a kid class type. Okay, git log. This command used for to see number of commits on one file or files and branch. If you want to see only one file, if you want to see commits on only one particular file, yes, syntax git log file name. Git log file name. Yes, example. Yes, git log monitor dot sh. Now let me show you. Okay. Yes, git log monitor dot sh. See guys, still we are having two commits. Still we are having two commits. See, first time when we have committed this one, on 26th we have committed this file. On 26th we have committed this file. Okay, and on the same day, monitor.sh we have committed. On the same day, two commits. On the 26th only we have committed. But the difference, okay, 1554. 1554. This is the first commit. And note that fine. The latest commits always on the top of. This is the latest commit. This is the latest commit. Okay. And this is the first commit. This is the first commit, or this is the second commit on the top of. From top to down, this is the second commit. Okay. This is the first commit and the latest commit. Okay, in the latest, it's the first commit. But bottom to top, this is the second commit. Okay. On top to bottom, first commit, that is the latest commit. Okay, bottom to top, this is the first commit, this is the first commit, and this is the second commit. But on the top one is the latest commit. Top one is the latest commit. Note that point. Still we are having two commits on this file. Two commits on this file. Now guys, now I am coming back. So already I told you that now. Yes, what is that? Git. Okay. Yes. Now git diff command. I'm coming to diff command. So now what we are doing? So we will finish right now. Okay, git diff command we will finish here. Yes. Git status. Now the file is located. Note that point. I'm just recapping. Already we saw that if the file is located in single location, we can't see that. In any one location, if the file is located only in working directory or in only in staging or in only committing, we can't see the changes. We can see the differences if the file is located in working directory and committing. We can see the differences which data is located in committing area and which data is located in working directory. The recognition. When we are seeing green color data, whenever we are seeing green color data after applying that git diff file name, that data is located in working directory, and which data we are seeing in white color, that is located in committing. Next, already we saw that the git diff command. The git diff command won't work on staging and committing files area. If the file is located in staging, at the same time the file is located in committing, this time this command won't work. Already I shown you in previous execution. Now we are seeing that. Now we are coming to conclusion. If the file is located in both locations mean working and staging. If the file is located in working and staging, at the same time the file is located in committing also, this time also will work. Don't confuse. When you are going to apply that git diff command, file name, okay, file name, for this time, if the file is located in staging and committing, it won't work. When you apply this command, for this time the file is located in working directory and committing, it will work. And when you apply this command, if the file is located in working directory and staging, that time it will work. And when the file is located in working directory, staging and committing, this time also will work. But which data is located in which data is in white color, that data is committing area data, and which data is in green color, that data is in working directory. Okay, now let me modify that. Cat double greater than monitor.sh. Okay, yes, now okay, yes, sir. System analysis report. This is also command, monitoring command, guys. System health monitoring commands. Every DevOps engineer, every system administrator, every DevOps administrator must have these monitoring commands. Okay, sir, system analysis report. Okay, next, guys, just save this one. Then now you can see git status. Now the file is located in working directory and staging. Now in this time, this command will work. Git diff, yes, monitor.sh. See, guys, which one you are seeing in green color, that is located in working directory. The remaining data, which one you are seeing? Okay, which one you are seeing? White color data, that data located in staging and committing. Got it, guys? This is git diff command. Okay, yes, I am asking you, all of you guys, please open up your mouth. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And only git diff command. Yes, guys. Bhuvanesh, Sol, Nanaji, Rohit, Aswin, Alok, Prashant, Supriya. Yes. See, individually I'm asking, you guys are not responding. It's mean what I can understand. Is there any doubt or yes? Git diff command over. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll try to explain that. Okay. Next, guys. Okay. Git diff command is over. And still we are having -am command. Git diff command is over. Git commit -am command. If we come to it will do, guys, whatever the modified and deleted files are located in working directory, those all files move to committing. Directly we can commit into committing area. But this command should not work on untracked files. Practically we saw that. And note that point. We have executed practically on working directory modified and deleted files only. First time we have executed command -am command on working directory files only. Successfully we saw that. For executing time, we kept two files, packages.sh file and monitor.sh file. The file monitor.sh file was in modified in working directory, and package.sh file is located in untracked working directory. But this command worked on only modified files only. But for the time we didn't put any file inside. We didn't keep any file inside staging area. Okay, once again we have executed only on staged files. We have executed on only staged files. If you want to see that, only Yes, let me show you for the time when we have executed that. Git. Yes, when we have executed. So when we have applied it git reset hyphen soft head. So we have applied that command, we have committed that file, and we call back to staging area. That time also we have explained that what is the use of this command, git reset hyphen soft head command. That command used for to unstage the file, for uncommitting the file. Uncommit the file. We have executed. Let me show you. Yes, if you come to see guys, git reset hyphen soft head. Okay, here we have committed third commit. We have committed third commit. After that, we have applied that, and we saw that a diff command, no changes, because for the time the file is located in only in committing end. Once again, we have applied git status command, and we have applied that git reset hyphen soft head. So the monitor.sh file came back to staging. Once again, we have applied that git status command. After applying that, we saw in staging area. But all of a sudden, I have applied this one. Okay. Without knowledge, I have applied that command. Yes, it affected on package.sh. So that reason I came for explanation about this one. This one. Okay. It works on latest commit. So that reason here we are seeing that git status. See, we are seeing two files. First one on monitor.sh and the second one package.sh. In this case only, if you want to see number of commits, if you want to see how many commits happen on one particular file, is in this case we have applied the git log monitor.sh, git log package.sh. See, the package.sh not having any commit, but the monitor.sh file having two commits. Okay, even if you apply the git log, for example, untracked files. See guys. Okay, only it works on git log command works on only committed files only. Git log command works on only committed files. Let me show you practically. So now git status. See, at present we are having two files in staging. Okay, now git log package. See, we don't have. Now what I'm doing that git commit -m package.sh version 1.0. Okay, note git commit yes, this one. Okay, git commit -m message. Okay, file name. Okay, this command used for to commit the files only from staging area. Staging area only. Okay. Now git commit command. Okay. Yes. This means okay. Now syntax 1. Okay. Git commit -m any one message mandatory message and file name. Yes, this command used for to commit only one file at a time. Okay. Next is syntax 2. Syntax 2. Git commit -m any one message space file name space file name space dot nth file name. Yes, we can commit one or more files. One or more files at a time. Okay. Next, syntax 3. Git commit -m any one message is mandatory. Okay, that is your option. You have to write anyone, either garbage or relevant. So we will discuss what is the relevant, what is the garbage. Okay, that is also important. We will discuss later on that. So git commit -m message. The message is yes. For example, yes. Now that's it. By this command, we can commit, or else this command works on all staged files. Okay. It's mean. Okay. We can commit all files at a time, but not above all commands. All commit commands works. Already I have written that. Once again, I'm writing that. Works on only staged files. Note these points. Okay, staged files. Okay, staged files. But -am command works on both working directory and staged files. But already have written clearly -am command. It should not work. -am command, if you remove this one, -m, it works on only staged. If you apply that am command, it works on only working directory modified and deleted and all staged files. Okay. Now let me show you. Okay. Now if I apply this one, see here we don't have any kind of files. End of this. If I mention any one file, we can commit only the particular file. For example, this message relevant to, this is the relevant message to this file only. Okay, but without specifying this file here, if I hit the enter, what will happen? See guys, after this, after double quotes, I didn't specify any file name. It's mean we are accepting to commit all files at a time. Now let me show you. Okay, but if you are going to executing this command, if you are going to executing this command, this is not relevant message. This is not relevant message, because if I hit the enter, this message applicable for all files. Okay, because we are going to committing. If I hit the enter, all files, whatever the files are located in staging, this all files moves to committing. But I'm not doing like that. Just now it's relevant to only the package file, and we are going to committing only one file. Next, git status. See guys, we have committed. Now, yes, I'm calling back. What is the command? Git reset, or else first let me show you git show. Okay, git show. Okay, this is the latest commit. Next, git log package data. It's having only one commit. See guys, before that it's not having any commit. Now just now we have committed. Now git status, git reset soft head tilde. What I'm doing, I'm unstaging the file. Sorry, I'm uncommitting the file. Which one I have committed? Which one? Or else just better to just cat double get than package. Let me modify. Without uncommitting, I'm going to modify that. Yes, yum install open jdk hyphen 11 devel, okay, hyphen y. Next, yum install nginx hyphen y, yum install jenkins hyphen y. Of course it won't work because we need to add repo key and repo key, and we need to add license key, then only it will work. Now control D. Okay, now git status, we have modified. See guys, package.sh file is located in committing and working directory. Package.sh file is located in committing and working directory. But coming to monitor file, the file is located in three locations. It's located in working directory, and it's located in staging. And it's located in committing. How we can see? Git log monitor.sh. See, if you are seeing commit IDs, yes, immediately we can fix it. Yes, the file is located in committing. After that, yes, if you apply that git status, okay. Again, if you are seeing the file in working directory and staging, it means the file is located in three areas: working directory, staging, and committing. Now what I am doing that git commit -am command. This command used for to commit the files which are located in working directory, as modified and deleted, along with all staged files. Whenever you are going to executing this command, for the time, okay, if the files are located in working directory and staging, these all files moves at a time in single commit. Just hit the enter. Now you can see git status. How many files we have committed? Total 2 files. Okay. See, this is one file and this file. We are having 2 files. Okay, this is one file and the same. This one same file. You got it now, guys? Total 2 files with the 6 insertion. Yes, now we can see only. Now if we apply the git status command, we can see this only. We can see. Now guys, sorry, what happened? Yes, spelling mistake. Git commit -am command. Git git commit -am command, that command used for to commit modified and deleted files from working directory along with all staged files. Okay. -am command, we can commit directly, but we can't commit untracked files. Interview question. Can you commit the files directly from working directory to committing? Can you commit the files directly? Okay, directly. We can commit the files from working directory to committing. What's your answer, guys? What's your answer? Yes. Yes, can we commit or not? Yes, guys, you have to open your mouth. I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Can we commit?
Yeah, we can commit git commit -am.
No, we can't commit. We can't commit.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. And in one way we can't commit, in another way we can commit. Yes. Initially we can't commit all files, first of all. By using git commit -am command, we can't commit all files. All files mean in case when we are going to executing that command, for the time, if the files are located in untracked list in working directory, those untracked files we can't commit by using git commit -am command. That command works on only modified and deleted files only from the working directory. We can't all files. We need to specify this one. In one way we can commit that one only for modified and deleted files along with all staged files. In another way, we can't commit by that -am command because if the working directory having untracked files, that command should not work on untracked files. That's the concept. Okay, guys. Now, okay, git commit. Yes. Now, guys. Okay. So now let me call back git reset -soft head tilde. Okay, guys. Git status. Git status. These all are came back. Now both are modified. Next, let me, yes, this one is over. -m am we have applied. Now rm command, yesterday we have executed. That command used for to delete the file. Am command we have executed. Dip command we have executed. Okay. Yes. Let me finish this one, guys. Let me finish this one. To commit all files at a time. If we want to commit all files at a time, yes, see guys, git commit -m, yes, test message. That's it. If we hit the enter, now this command works on only staged files. Only staged files. Yes. Now 2 files with the 6 insertions. Git status. See guys. Okay. We got it now. This one. Next one, guys. Okay. So this one is over. This one is over. And this one for, if you want to commit this one, just imagine it. If you have multiple files, just let me git add space dot. This one also let me finish. Now git commit -m test commit. Yes, any one message. A space, B space, C. File name space, file name space, file name, nth file name. If you want to commit multiple files instead of single file, commit. Instead of commit all files. Instead of committing all files, instead of one file committing at a time. If you have multiple files, imagine it, you are having 10 files. Out of those files, if you want to commit only 3 files, that time you need to specify this command git commit space -m space message space file name space file name space file name. Now what we are doing, only we are going to committing these 3 files only out of 5 files. Now see guys, git status. This is okay. This one. Next, commit also over, and diff command also over, am command also over, and show command, git show command also over, git log command also over. But we need to discuss a little bit some more about a log commands. Okay, if it is possible, I'll send the document. You can go through that, guys. Now this one, we will finish this one, guys. Okay, git reset @ tilde. Yes, guys, this command used for yes, guys, this command how it works, left to right, left to right. But this command works, git commit - command works from sorry, git reset command right to left. Git reset - soft command, it works right to left. Right to left mean yes, right to left. But this command also works. This one only for git reset. Git reset - soft head tilde only for uncommitting. But this one little bit hard command, but be careful before applying this one. Make sure that is it important or not. If it is important, how much it important. Okay, yes, nothing will happen, but the files, the commits will come back. Git reset @ tilde. So what will happen? It works from right to left. It starts from this command. It starts from right to left. It starts in the committing, then it stops in staging. But this command, it starts from committing. It picks the latest all committed files, then it goes to staging. Whatever the files are located in staging, and it will pick all files. See, first it will pick latest committed files. First of all, it will pick latest committed files, and then it comes into staging. It will pick all these files also, and then put into working directory. Okay, it put in working directory. Okay, guys. Then see, let me show you practically. Yes, git show. This is the latest commit A, B, C. This is the latest commit. But these files are not having any kind of data. Okay, this is the latest commit and git status. These are the staged files. At present, we are having 3 files in latest commit. So we are having 3 files in latest commit and 2 files are in staging. Now git reset @ tilde. What will happen? This command works on latest commit and staging. It picks the latest committed files from committing area. Yes, it comes with those files and comes here, and it will pick the all staged files. The file is modified, the file is deleted, the file is new file. If we are having 3 category files, yes, it will pick all files along with committed and then put into place into working directory. See, now before applying this command, we saw that git show command. That is the latest command. In the latest commit, we are having ABC. ABC files are located in committing and 2 files are in staging D and E. Okay, A, B, C, D. These 5 files picks and place into the working directory. Yes, git status. Okay, guys. Okay. This is the command. Uncommitted, unstaged. Uncommitted, unstaged. Only if you want to unstage, yes, just git reset icon soft head. Okay, if you want to uncommit and unstage, git reset at the rate tilde. Git reset at the rate tilde. Okay, guys. So this is what we have discussed in today's session. Okay, so we are stopping here, and please let me know if you have any doubt, guys. Okay, yes, any doubt? In tomorrow's session, we will discuss. Okay, yes, what is this one? Git reset, this one. Okay, this is the syntax and example. Okay, this command used for to uncommit and unstage at a time. Okay, note. Above command works on latest committed files and all staged files. Okay, it picks all latest committed files and staged files. It picks all latest committed files and staged files, then place into working directory. This is what we saw that practical example. Okay, guys. So still we are having, of course, these commands linking with one command to another command. Okay, this command linking to one command to another command. Another command means that is a scenario based. You need to understand like that. If you observe that in real world, so what we are going to learning, so what they are the trainers saying teaching, what they will teach, that how they will teach, command by command they will teach. Initially, they will concentrate on particular command only. Okay, it's not possible to take scenario based. Okay, if the person will take the scenario based, you can't understand. Okay, you can't understand because one scenario maybe it's having one or more steps. One scenario having, maybe it's having one or more steps. Maybe one scenario having one or more commands. Maybe one scenario having one or more tools. If you want to configure, if you want to execute one scenario, maybe the scenario linking with one or more commands, maybe the scenario having one or more steps, and maybe the scenario linking with one or more tools or one or more configurations. Okay, see the reset command having also git reset command having that related to latest committed and staged files. Git reset at the rate tilde. Git reset icon software having related with two commands. we must add the command. First, we must add the file, and then we need to commit. Then only the command will execute. Git show command. It is also having two commands. First, you need to add the file, then we need to commit that. Then only it works on committed file. Git show command. Even the git log command also. First, you need to add the file, then we need to commit. Then only you can see number of commits on particular file. See, guys. Okay. So that reason I have taken little bit scenario based. Okay. Scenario based, linking with one command to another command. Okay. Still we are having these commands. We will see that, guys, in the tomorrow session. See, RM file we are having. Already I shown you that git RM. Yes, why we have executed two. Yes. Yes, git RM. Yes, git RM and only RM. Okay. We will see in the next class. Already I shown you that. But git RM command we didn't work on git RM command because we didn't delete it. We didn't delete file. We didn't delete committed file. So that, okay, we didn't see that. Tomorrow we'll see that. And the dip command also we have seen that. Okay. So tomorrow, yes. For fifth class. Okay. For fifth class. Git commit -m message only one file. Okay. Next, git commit -m message file name space file name space dot nth file name. Next, git commit -m message. That's it. Okay. So already we have written here git commit. Okay. -m. This one already we have executed. But for tomorrow, git branch name. Git sixth class, guys. We will see these commands. These commands mean git rm space file name. Yes, rm space file name. Yes. Okay. And we are having some more commands also. We will see. Okay. So as much as, okay. But you believe on it. If you try to execute practically matter of 2 minutes only. Whatever we have discussed today's commands and these commands also, just a matter of 2 minutes. If you have that subject, if you have that clear understanding, practical knowledge, experience, just we can finish within 2 minutes only. Okay. That works on experienced guys. But that not works on who are going to learning newly. So that reason I didn't finish these all commands. Okay. Thank you, guys. This is what we have discussed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. That's all my side. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
I'm reaching you.
Do you have any